Welcome to Tint Guy LLC, your premier provider of custom-tailored vehicle wrap services in Murfreesboro, TN. Transform your vehicle into a stunning work of art with our high-quality, durable vinyl wraps. Our expert team specializes in creating custom designs that reflect your unique style and brand identity. Whether you're looking to advertise your business, change your vehicle's color, or enhance its appearance, we've got you covered. At Tint Guy LLC, we use only the best materials to ensure your vehicle wrap lasts for years to come. Our state-of-the-art facility is equipped with the latest technology for precision installation. We offer a wide variety of colors, finishes, and textures to choose from, including matte, gloss, and more. All our wraps are designed to protect your vehicle's original paint and can be easily removed without damage. Our team takes pride in meticulous attention to detail, ensuring a flawless finish every time. Customer satisfaction is our top priority, and we work closely with you throughout the entire process. From the initial consultation to the final wrap installation, we guarantee a seamless experience. Enhance your vehicle's appearance and stand out on the road with our custom vehicle wrap services. Don't wait to transform your ride. Contact Tint Guy LLC today. Call us at 615-410-3805 to discuss your ideas or visit our website for more information.